Hi. Hello, my name's Olivia. My name is Kira, and we are your Karma experts. In this video, we will go over the image element. Let's go. The image element can be found on the left sidebar. It is labeled image. You also have here automatically predefined designs, and these you can easily just drag and drop onto your canvas. I'm going to go ahead and first make a new section. I'm going to drag and drop a few of the images. I'll take the rounded rectangle, as well as the normal rectangle. If I click the image, a pop-up will appear of a white bar. Here you can customize your image. If I click image, we'll have a variety of different images powered by Unsplash appear. In the search bar, you can specifically search an image that we'd like to have. I will have tea. In addition, you can adjust the orientation to landscape, portrait, and square. I'm going to go ahead and keep landscape. You can also adjust the specific color that you're looking for. I'm going to keep it at green. I'll go ahead and click an image, and it'll appear. In addition to an image, you can also insert a GIF. And at the top, you see that we have our normal Aura images, as well as attachments and a direct link. My GIF is actually under the direct link. I'll go ahead and insert it. There we go. My GIF is now in the page. We can also adjust the GIF. I can change the dimensions. In this case, I will make the GIF a little bit bigger. We can adjust the corners. I'll make it a little bit more round. In this case, I will match my first image. That's it. There are also some other cool features that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my own image. Let's take the rounded one. I'm going to choose an image from the stock here, powered by Unsplash. One other feature is that you can actually change the alignment of an image. Right now I have it centered, but you can of course center it to the left and the right. I'm going to move it back to center. You can also add in a shadow to an image, such as grounded, slightly elevated, and fully elevated. Of course, you can duplicate an image, and you can of course delete an image. Lastly, you can also add a link to an image. I can add in a Confluence page. I can add an attachment. So if I have a PNG file or a JPEG, for example, I can add in a direct link as well as an email. So let's go ahead and add in our direct link. I'm going to go ahead and add in our company website and save our link. If I just click the image now with the link, it's not going to pop up. We're going to have to publish our page. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to publish this. When I publish it, I exit Karma. But I have to publish our Confluence page. So I'm going to click publish one more time. There we go. So if I scroll down our page and I click the image, it should bring me to our linked page, and it does. Quite simple. It really is. And so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.